Yeah!
Wow! What a battle! Are we done having fun? Come on! Give it up for Rivet and her first victory!
The evil is mine! Welcome to my playground! It'll be fun, I promise!
The evil is mine, the darkness of mine. Damn into my black eyes, music and minds. I am the night, eliminate all the light. The evil is mine.
What do you want with little evil me? I'm gonna make you scream. Welcome to my playground! It'll be fun, I promise.
Make you scream, all in your dreams. Hold in hand with the beast, better they bleed. I am a devilish tease, your beautiful disease. The evil is mine. The evil is mine.
Evil is everything. Don't come after me, I'll come after you. The evil is mine. It'll be fun, I promise.
The evil is mine, the darkness of mine. Damn into my black eyes, music and minds. I am the night, eliminate all the light. The evil is mine.
What do you want with little evil me? I'm gonna make you scream. Welcome to my playground.
Well, look who it is. One of my enemies. Now working with Emperor Nefarious.
Are we done having fun? Come on! Give it up for Rivet and her first victory! I wish I could have been here sooner. However, I am thrilled to announce that I finished neutralizing my enemies. With the exception of Captain Quantum and... Anyway.
And I'm here to take my revenge. It's Queen Murphy to you, little robot.
When I heard that the rebel Lombax was battling me, I had to...
Come here, the universe, celebrate your defeat?
Who was celebrating? You mean them?
No!
Wait! I've been fighting rebels for years. Let me help you wipe them out.
Ah, my, strange fan wants to assist. Tantalizing. Why don't we make this interesting? A home game, perhaps?
And don't forget, Emperor, the well.
Will last forever! It's going to Sargasso! I have to get there first!
We're coming with you. Ratchet, we must find Quantum. He is the last rebel on that list.
Go to Ardolis and find Pierre. He'll take you to him.